Hey everyone, welcome back to the beginner series on the easiest way to solve a Rubik's Cube. So in this step, we're going to go from here. So we have the white layer, the bottom layer is all white, and then this is orange, and it matches with the orange side. This is blue, it matches with the blue, and so on, okay? And we're going to go from this to this. And we see now that we've solved the first two layers. So this is all blue, this is all red, this is all green, and this is all orange. So let's break down how to do that. Okay, so the first step is you want to look for edge pieces. And again, edge pieces have two colors. So you want to look for edge pieces besides edge pieces that have yellow. So we don't want to get yellow because yellow is on the top, and we just want to look for edge pieces that go into the middle layer. So here is an edge piece. It's red and blue. And so we want to put it here because this is the blue side and this is the red side. So we want to put this piece here, and we want the blue side to be touching blue and the red side to be touching red. So what you do is you look at the edge piece and you see if it's in the right spot. And so what does the right spot mean? So we basically want this color to be matching the center color. So this is not correct. So I'm just going to rotate it, and now we have red on top of red, so it's in the right spot. So what I like to do is look for this little upside down T that's all the same color, and then you know it's in the right spot. Okay, so then you need to check if the piece is supposed to go to the left or to the right. And we know it's supposed to go to the left because this is blue and red, and so we want to put this piece here. And we don't want to put it here because this is red and green, and this piece is red and blue, so we know it goes to the left. So here's what you need to do if you put it into the left slot. First, you're going to turn the upper layer counterclockwise. Then you're going to do the left algorithm. Then you want to rotate the cube 90 degrees so that the white sticker is facing your right hand. That's what helps me remember. So white sticker facing your right hand, and then you do the right algorithm. And now the edge piece is in the right spot, and it's oriented correctly. So then you go and you look for more edge pieces, and you want to look for edge pieces that are in the top. These edge pieces are already in the middle layer, but they're in the wrong orientation because this should be green and this should be orange, but we'll deal with that later. So you can just first start with the edge pieces that are already in the top. So this is orange and blue. So we look around and we know that we want orange to be on top of orange. So we keep rotating it, and now we have orange on top of orange. So then we look and see if it's supposed to go to the right or to the left. And we know it's supposed to go to the right because this is orange and blue, and it's the orange and blue edge piece. And it doesn't go here because this is orange and green, and so we don't want the piece to go there. Now we do the right version of the algorithm. So we move the top clockwise. Then we do the right algorithm. Then you rotate the cube so that the white piece is facing your left hand now. So before it was facing my right hand, but now you want the white piece to face your left hand, and then you do the left algorithm. And now you see that this edge piece is in the correct spot. Okay, now here's the case where you have something, like you have the right edge, so this is orange and green, but it's in the wrong orientation. So this is how you get an edge piece out from the middle layer and into the top layer. Let's say this was like a different color, like red and green. You would still do the same thing that I'm about to show you because you need to move the piece to the top layer in order to make the algorithm work. So this is just a way to get the edge piece out of the middle layer. So basically what you do is you pretend that you're moving this piece to this spot. Because if we move this piece to this spot, then of course this edge has to move. So let's pretend we're moving this piece here. So we move this to the right. Then we do the right algorithm. Then we rotate the cube so that the white sticker is facing my left hand. And now we can see that this piece is, the piece that was up here is now down here, and the edge piece is free. So we had the green and orange edge, and now it is free, so we can do the normal algorithm. So we line it up so that green is on top of orange, and it needs to go to the right. First, we move the upper part clockwise. Then we do the right algorithm. Then we rotate the cube, so white sticker is facing my left hand. Left algorithm, and now it's in the correct spot. Okay, so now we need to do the same thing So we pretend we're moving this orange and yellow edge piece to here because we need to get this edge piece out of the middle layer and into the top. So we move this clockwise. Then we do the right algorithm. Rotate the cube so that white sticker is facing left hand. Do the left algorithm. And now we have the edge piece that we had before that was up here. Now it's down here. And then I see that the red and green edge is over here. So I rotate it. First you do the clockwise move. Then you do the right algorithm. And then you rotate the cube, left algorithm, and there you go. And then I'm going to give you one more example when you need to move it to the left. So let me go scramble it again and I'll show you that. So here's an example of the other case. So we have the red and blue edge here. We have red lined up on top of red, and we see that here's blue. So that means that this edge needs to go here. So it needs to go to the left. So here is the other version of the algorithm. So you move this top piece counterclockwise. You do the left algorithm. You rotate the cube so that the white piece is facing the right hand. And then we do the right algorithm. And then it's in the correct spot. So that's it for this step. And now I'll show you how to get started solving the top layer. See you in the next video.